automation, we use certain number of camera, and we connect with the PC. We need to install two software. One is lower LCP. The other one is CLB, is calibration software developed by Novastar. And for the laptop, we connect the laptop to the controller by USB cable or Cat5 cable. This is for control of the screen. And we also need a video cable connect with the controller as the background. So when we calibrate the screen, we need a background, like a pure RGB color, the white color. And this is a camera. Camera will take photos of each pixel. They will divide the whole screen into small pieces. So when we finish calibrate this part, we will move to the next one, and move to the last one. Each part, the camera will take a clear photo of each pixel, and the photo will contain the information like brightness of each color, of each RGB color, and the color coordinate, and chroma information of each pixel. And then the camera will send the photos to the CLB software. The software will analyze the photo, and create a command to control each pixel. Let me give you one example. Let's say we have two LED lamps. They have color difference. One lamp, when we put on the screen, is 100% brightness. The other one can only reach 95. The last one can only reach 90% of the brightness. So the camera will take a photo of each pixel, and then the software will analyze and create a command. Okay, I will decrease 10% of this one, and decrease 5% brightness for the second lamp, and keep the last lamp 90% the same, no change. So after calibration, all the three lamps will be stay at the same brightness at the 4 RGB, and the color coordinate also very close, and the color uniformity will be much better than before calibration. So this is how we do the calibration by camera. We can calibrate a single cabinet, which can be in the ABSEN factory. We calibrate the cabinets one by one. We can also calibrate the whole screen. We can do both in factory, also on site. For example, if this is screen, I think if the customer has high requirements, or the installation is not so good, there are white lines, black lines. It's difficult to adjust physically. In that case, we can use the camera to calibrate the whole screen. And after calibration, the white line and the black line will gone. The color uniformity will be perfect. So this is how we do the calibration. The second method is we calibrate the whole screen manually. Manually, it means we have two types of the calibration. One is calibrate the whole screen. As we know, the white balance, when the LED lamp can display white color, the red chip, the brightness of the red chip is 30%. For the green is 60%. For the blue is 10%. So when the brightness of RGB is 3 versus 6 versus 1, we call it white balance. White balance, it means that the white color is perfect. Or sometimes, if the screen is for a long time, and the quality of the lamp is not good. As we know, the practice will decay every year, right? It will reduce every year. If for example, if the white color or if the red color drop fast, green and the blue color, the decay rate is not high, it's normal. In that case, the screen, when we talk about the screen in white color, it will look like bluish. The color is not pure white. So in that case, we need to calibrate the whole screen. So we reduce the brightness of the green color and reduce the brightness of the blue color. We still keep the ratio, the brightness ratio between RGB 3 versus 6 versus 1, and the screen become black again. This is how we calibrate the whole screen manually. We can also calibrate the one panel or one module. Even we can calibrate part of the pixels. We just use the Nova LCT software to choose part of the screen. This is one panel. We choose the one panel, and then we reduce red color or green color or blue color to make sure they are balanced. Make sure their color will be similar with nearby panels. This is very practical function for auto screen. For example, the auto screen used for 5 years, but the spare module stay in the warehouse, never been used. So after 5 years, if we use the spare module,